Do you want to add video transcriptions to your videos, but don't want to pay for a video transcription service or do it manually? Hey everyone, I'm Daniel Bales, former Googler and founder of Srt Animation, the place where businesses go for custom animated videos. And today, you're going to learn how to use YouTube to make video transcriptions like VTT, SRT, and SBV files made instantly and for free. Keep watching. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel so that when we come out with new video marketing tips and more videos, you'll get notified. So these days, including video transcriptions with your videos is especially crucial since they're how closed captions are made. They give viewers a great user experience and help increase your chances of your videos showing up in search results. The problem is that you typically have to either create them manually using a text editor and complicated time codes, or you have to pay someone like rev.com to have them made for you. And we know that paying for things sucks. So instead of wasting your time and money, I'm gonna share with you a little YouTube hack that I discovered while nearly caving in to a paid video transcription service. Okay, so here we are at YouTube, and this is where we're gonna start. So our first step is to create a video transcription of our YouTube video. So I'll go ahead and I will upload the video. Now while that's uploading, I'll go ahead and I'll open up a brand new Google Doc. And here what we'll do is we'll paste in the video script from that video. Just name it something. Okay, and once that's pasted in, then I'll just go up here and download this Google Doc as a TXT file. And once my video is finished uploading, then I'll go ahead and I will just open it up. And I'll go down to Edit Video. Now I'll come down here to the Transcriptions menu item and go ahead and click that. Over here under Subtitles, I'll click this, this small square. Now here's where we're going to upload that TXT file. So I'll click Upload a File. We'll choose it here and upload. So now we're going to go ahead and click Set Timings, and we'll give it a second because this takes a little bit of time depending on how long your video is. YouTube is automatically trying to match the text to the appropriate time within your video. Okay, so now that I've given it a minute, I'll go ahead and click this this symbol here to set the timings. Now we can see that that TXT file has been matched to each timestamp here. So I am pretty sure this is already accurate, so I'm just going to go ahead and publish it, but you should check yours. Okay, and now that we have our subtitles here published to YouTube in English, I'll go ahead and click that again. And up here we'll see Actions. Now this is where we're going to download our SRT file. So I'll click that drop down, and you can see here that you can download as original VTT, SRT, and SBV file. So super handy, free, and pretty quick. So I'll select SRT, and there goes the download. So that's it, folks. That's all you need to do to get the video transcriptions made for free using YouTube, and we can go ahead and use that same file to upload along with our video to LinkedIn or Instagram or wherever you need. Now if you properly set your timings, your new video transcript files will already be time coded properly. So all you need to do is upload and publish them. Now if you like this little hack, please do like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want exclusive video marketing content that we only share with subscribers, head on over to the Sharp-Eye Animation website and subscribe to our email newsletter. It's free. Now I'll turn it over to you. Did this hack work for you? Let me know in the comments. And if you need help making videos or running video marketing campaigns, contact the email in the description. Thanks for watching.